welcome back. Well, from step trackers out there to weight loss programs, people are using their smartphone apps to track their health-related issues.
But how do you know if your privacy is protected? Consumer investigator Sasha Jones sat down with a technology expert to find out. Sasha.
Nowadays, there's an app for almost everything. That includes some apps that house our medical information. But there are steps you should take to better safeguard this data. They are quick, convenient, and now more people are turning to them. People like Maureen Sushita.
I put everything from blood work to immunization records to medications to eyeglasses to checkups. I've become really dependent on it.
Health and medical apps can help keep track of your family's medical profiles. Maureen is a tech blogger and knows that even the most secure apps can be compromised. So she is sure to read the fine print and make sure her information is not being stored on a remote server.
For certain medical apps, I make sure that it's not being backed up somewhere else.
That's just one of the ways consumers can safeguard their personal health information.
There are tons of benefits of using these applications. However, you have to be aware of the privacy and security risks.
To better understand this issue, we sat down with Dr. Lena Boyand, an assistant professor in the College of Business at Florida International University.
It can connect you to patients like yourselves. It can find you the best provider for your own condition, the lowest cost treatment possible. So all of these are benefits that you can get from those apps.
She says technological advances are making it possible to share your entire health file with an app. But unlike hospitals and doctors that by law must protect this information, apps and technology companies don't have to follow the same rules.
Once the user provides consent, once they allow sharing of the information, then the app can basically share that data with whomever they choose to.
And that's why it's important to read the terms and conditions of the app. She advises consumers to select apps that are transparent about the type of health information they collect and how it is used, and to be certain the app you choose has built-in security measures like encoding stored and transmitted data. Experts also warn that you should be leery of free apps.
They're probably selling your personal data. After all, they have to make money one way or the other.
Because this could lead to unforeseen issues.
We recommend taking a good hard look before deciding whether to hand over your data or not. We're concerned that if your personal data gets out there, it can ultimately lead to workplace discrimination.
As for Maureen,
I have not only my information, my son's information too.
She says she'll be more vigilant when using health apps. Now, Consumer Reports also says to check the terms of service of the app and whether the app is asking for permission to access your contacts or photos or allows it to share your data with third parties. Sasha Jones, NBC6 responds.